Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is about room tour of Hotel NK Grand Park, Chennai. We had gone to Chennai, that was our last day of the trip without doing any advance booking, and we did this on the spot booking at NK Grand Park. This turned out to be the best decision we took as this hotel was nearer to Chennai airport, just 1.5 km away. This booking was done on 31st December, such a peak time, and still we could manage to get the decent hotel. Lucky us. So without blabbering much, let's dive in and explore the room. The rooms in this hotel was reasonably priced, and we had booked deluxe room which costed us 3,000 for a night stay. General facilities which they have is airport shuttle, car hire, room services, cleaning services such as dry cleaning, laundry, daily housekeeping, ironing, and reception services such as 24 hours operational front desk, tour desk, luggage storage. One thing I really liked about this property is they do what the future demands. This hotel is travel sustainable as single-use plastic is not allowed here. Greenhouse gases emissions are kept in mind, and they use energy efficient LED bulbs. Windows are double glazed as this cuts down the carbon footprint. So yeah, the future. The hotel has a terrace and views of the city, and guests can enjoy a meal at in-house restaurant. Their party hall has capacity of 100 to 200 people, so you can arrange birthday or any gathering here. That's it for today. We'll see you in the next video, exploring, traveling, eating and lots more. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.